So the first question in section A is first question, root 0.4 is an natural number, integer, rational number, irrational number. So what type of number it is? So root 0.4. Let's see what is the value of this one. Root 0.4, right? So this 0.4 can be written as 4 by 10. So now square root of 4 is 2. So 2 by root 10. So let's multiply, rationalize the denominator. Multiply with root 10 by root 10. Now it becomes what? 2 into root 10 is 2 root 10 by root 10 into root 10 is 10. So 2 ones are 2 fives are. So finally it is equals to root 10 by 5, which is irrational number. So this one is an irrational number. So which option is right here? Option D is right. So option D is right. The second question, what is the second question here? Which of the following cannot be the unit digit of 8 power n, where n is a natural number? So which can't be the unit digit of 8 power n when n is a natural number? Let's substitute some values of n, then let's see the unit digit of this one. 8 power n, right? If n is 1, 8 power 1, unit digit is 8. If 8 is 2, if n is 2, sorry, 8 is a 8 into 8, right? 64. So unit digit can be 8, unit digit can be 4 here. Next, if n is 3, 8 cube, 8 into 8 into 8, how much will get? 8 is a 64 into 8. 8 4 is a 32. So unit digit is 2. Next, 8 power 4. So 8 power 4 means 8 power 3 into 8. Unit digit of 8 power 3 is 2, right? Unit digit of 8 power 3 is 2. And into 8, 16. So unit digit is what? 6. Next, 8 power 5. 8 power 5 means 8 power 4 into 8. Unit digit of 8 power 4 is 6 here into 8. 6 8 is a 48. Again it is ending with 8. So let's see the options. Yes, this unit digit can be 4. Yes, unit digit can be 4. Next, unit digit can be 2. Unit digit can be 6, but unit digit cannot be this 0. So among these A, B, C, D, option C is right answer. That's it. Let's see the third question. What is the third question here? Which of the following quadratic equation has real and equal roots? So when the quadratic equation has real and equal roots, then discriminant is b square minus 4ac should be equals to 0. So your options are given. Let's take the first one. What is the first one here? X plus 1 whole square is equals to 2x plus 1. Let's expand it with a plus b whole square formula. A square plus b square plus 2ab. 2 into x into 1 equals to right side 2x plus 1. Now x square plus 1 square is 1. Here 2x into 1, 2x equals to 2x plus 1. So left side 2x, right side 2x gets cancelled. Now left side plus 1, right side plus 1 gets cancelled. Now what do we have? X square is equals to 0. Now x is equals to square root of 0. Then x is equals to 0. So it has two equal real roots, means plus 0 minus 0. The graph touches the x-axis at 0. So it will have two equal real roots. Which option is right? Option A is right. So option A is right. Next, fourth question. What is the fourth question? If the zeros of the polynomial x square plus bx plus 2a by b are reciprocal of each other, then what is the value of b? Reciprocal of each other means if one zero is alpha, another zero is beta. Okay, let's what is the polynomial given? Let's write it. The polynomial given here is p of x is equals to x square plus bx plus 2a by b. Okay, so the zeros are reciprocal of each other. Let the zeros be alpha and beta. Sorry, alpha and 1 by alpha, because they are reciprocal of each other. Now we know that product of zeros. What is the product of zeros formula? Product of zeros is will be equals to constant term by coefficient of x square. Constant by coefficient of x square. So this is the formula for coefficient of x square. Okay, product of zeros. Product of zeros means alpha into 1 by alpha is equals to constant term. Here what is the constant term? Here the constant term is 2a by b. So 2a by b by coefficient of x square. So what is the coefficient of x square here? A. So a, right? So this can be written as here alpha gets cancelled. Now we will have one in the one on the left side. Now so 2a by b, this a can be written as a by 1. In the next step it will become reciprocal. 1 is equals to 2a by b into a by 1 becomes 1 by a. So here a gets cancelled. Now what do we have? 1 is equals to 2 by b. This 2 and this b. So if you bring this b left side, now b is equals to 2. So the value of b is 2. Let's check which answer is right here. So option A is right for the fourth question. Next, fifth question. The distance of the point A minus 3 comma minus 4 from x-axis. From x-axis, we know that. So first let's write what is the point. 3 comma minus 4, right? So minus 3 comma minus 4. So we know that this x coordinate gives the distance from. So this x coordinate will give the distance from y axis. So distance from y-axis on the left side. Now this -4 is distance from y-axis, so down the x-axis, so downward. Now what is the question here? The distance of point A from x-axis, it is sorry this one, distance from x-axis, sorry. So the y coordinate gives the distance from x-axis. So from x-axis it is 4 units. From x-axis it is 4 units. So let's, which option is right here? From x-axis it is 4 units. So option B is right answer. So next question is sixth question. In the adjoining figure, PQ is parallel to XY, parallel to BC. So these are three parallel lines. AP is 2 centimeters, PX is 1.5 centimeters, BX is 4 centimeters. If AQY is 0.75 centimeters, then what is the AQ plus CY? So to solve this, let's redraw the figure. What it is given here. So this is PQ, this is XY, PQXY. So they are parallel lines. Now A, B, C. So what it is given here? AP is 2 centimeters. So this is 2 centimeters. PX, P2X is 1.5. Next BX, B2X is 4, right? Very good. Next, QY is 0.75. QY 0.75 centimeters. So what we have to find? AQ plus CY. So this one you have to find. AQ plus CY. So here, when this PQ is parallel to BC, the triangle APQ will be similar to triangle ABC. The small triangle APQ will be similar to the big triangle ABC. So we know that when the two triangles are similar, their corresponding sides are proportional. Otherwise, you can apply the basic proportionality theorem. So what is the basic proportional theorem? If a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle, then that line divides other two sides in the same ratio. So that means here PQ is parallel to BC, then PQ divides AB side and AC side in the same ratio. What you can write here from this? Otherwise, let's apply this formula for basic proportionality theorem for this AXY triangle. Here PQ is parallel to XY, then PQ divides AX side and AY side in the same ratio. Let's apply BPT for this one. What do we get? So from basic proportional theorem, we will get AP by PX is equals to AP by PX is equals to AQ by QY. Okay, what is AP value? Here AP value is 2 and PX value is 1.5. Next, AQ value, that's what we don't know. QY value is 0.75. This one 0.75. So bring 0.75 left side. 2 into 0.75 by 1.5 is equals to AQ. 2 into 0.75 is 1.5 by 1.5 is equals to AQ. So 1.5 ones are 1.5 ones are. So now we'll get AQ is equals to how much? 1. So AQ is equals to 1 centimeter. Next, now apply the basic proportional theorem for this triangle. What is that? This XY is parallel to BC, then XY divides this AB side and AC side in the same ratio. If you apply this basic proportional theorem for this one, what do you get? You will get AX by XB is equals to AY by YC. Yes. So this AX by XB is equals to AY by YC. So this BY divides AB side, AC side in the same ratio. That's what we got this. And AX, let's substitute the values. What is the AX value? This AX is nothing but 2 plus 1.5, 3.5 by XB. So this XB is 4. So ay is nothing but 1 plus 0.75, 1.75, 1.75 by yc. Yc is what we don't know here. So bring yc left side, 4 right side. If you bring yc left side and send 4 right side, it becomes 3.5 into yc now equals to 1.75 into 4. Now send this 3.5 right side. Now it becomes yc is equals to 1.75 into 4 by 3.5. So 3.5, 1.75 ones are 1.5, 2 times is 3.5. So now we will get, what do we get? 4 by 2. So 2 ones are 2 twos are. So equals to 2. So what do we get here? Yc is equals to 2. So what we need to, so this is 2 centimeters. What we need to find? We need to find AQ plus CY. So here AQ is 1, CY or YC is 2. It is equals to 3. So the answer is 3. Let's see which option is right here. So option C is the right answer. What is the seventh question here? The seventh question is triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. So let's draw the triangles. Triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. Triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. So what it is given here? Angle at A is 30 degrees. Angle at Q is 90 degrees. Then R plus B. Angle R plus angle B. So we know that what it is given here, triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR, right? It is given that triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. Means when the two triangles are similar, their corresponding angles are equal. Angle at A is equals to angle at P. Means angle at A is 30, angle at P is also 30. Next, angle at B is equals to angle at Q. Angle at Q is 90, angle at B is also 90. Right. Now, from the angle sum property of a triangle, now 30 plus here 30 plus 90, 120. Now remaining here is 60 degrees. Now here it is also 60 degrees. So what we need to find? R plus B, angle R plus angle B. So what is angle R? Angle R plus angle B. Angle R is 60 degrees, angle B is 90 degrees. So it is 150 degrees. Let's see which option is right. 150 degrees. So option C is right. Next, eighth question is two coins are tossed simultaneously. The probability of getting at least one head. At least one head. So this is very important question. When two coins are tossed, what is the probability of getting at least one head? Let's see the possible outcomes. Coin 1, coin 2. Now the possible outcomes are head, 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 tail, tail, head, tail, tail. So at least one head means it should contain at least one head. No problem if it contains more than one head also. At least means at least we should contain at least one. So what are the possible outcomes? Here it has at least one head. This also at least head. Now this is also has at least one head. At least two heads, no problem. So there are three favorable outcomes out of four. The probability of getting at least one head is 3 by 4. Let's see which option is right here. 3 by 4. So option C is right answer. What is the next ninth question? Here the ninth question is in the adjoining figure, PA, PB are two tangents. Here PA is one tangent and PB is another tangent to a circle with center O. Angle at P is 90 degrees. Here we can see angle at P is 90 degrees. AB is this chord, AB is 3 root 2. Then the diameter of the circle. So we have to find the diameter of the circle. To find the diameter of the circle, we need to find the radius of the circle. Okay. Let's redraw the figure here. So there is a circle. Inside it, Yeah. O B P and this is A. So what it is given, AB is 3 root 2. This is AB is 3 root 2. So we have to find the radius. See, if you observe this one, yes, if you observe this figure, then what is the angle at B? Angle at B is 90 degrees because the angle between the tangent radius is 90 degrees. Angle at A is also 90 degrees. So now this OAPB is a square. We know that in square all sides are equal. So let if AP is x, then BP is also x, and OB is also x, and OA is also x. Now from triangle APB, apply the Pythagoras theorem. From triangle APB, apply the Pythagoras theorem. What is the Pythagoras theorem here? Square of hypotenuse AB square is equals to AP square plus BP square. So here AB is 3 root 2. So 3 root 2 whole square is equals to, so AP is x square. AP is x, so it is x square. BP is also x square. Now 3 square is 9 and root 2 whole square is 2. So 9 into 2 equals to x square x square. It is equals to 2x square. So bring this to left side. 9 into 2 by 2 is equals to x square. So otherwise 2 to cancel, now x square is equals to 9. Now x is equals to square root of 9, which can be written as x is equals to 3. So x is equals to 3. So all of these are 3 3. Now here OA and OB are nothing but sides of radius of square, right? So radius of circle. So if radius is 3 centimeters, then diameter is double of radius, which is 6 centimeters. So double radius of the circle is 6 centimeters. Let's see which option has this one. Option D is right answer. Next, 10th question is, what is the 10th question? For a circle with center O, radius 5 centimeters, which of the following statement is true? So there is a circle with center O with radius 5 centimeters. So there is a circle with center O, radius 5 centimeters. So which one is right? Okay, let's see the first question. Distance between every pair of parallel tangents is 5 centimeters. The distance between every pair of parallel tangents is 5 centimeters. No, the distance between every pair of parallel tangents is not 5 centimeters. It is 5 plus 5, 10 centimeters. The distance between every parallel tangent is not 5 centimeters. It is 10 centimeters. So distance between every parallel tangent is not 5. It is 5 plus 5, 10. So P is not a right answer. Distance between every pair of parallel tangents is 10. Yes, the distance between every pair of parallel tangents is 10. So this Q is right. So this Q is right. No need of checking R and S.